Hello. In this video, I'll be talking about what is Sqoop in the Hadoop. In the Hadoop ecosystem, we have a multiple component, and Sqoop is also one of the important component which is the part of Hadoop ecosystem. So let us see the things in a theoretically so that you'll understand what is meant by Sqoop and when you're going to use the Sqoop. Let's say we have a huge amount of data in our RDBMS database. So the database, it can be anything. Maybe we can talk about MySQL or Oracle data. Here we have a multiple users around the globe. So let's say these are the users and they are doing some kind of the transaction, and all those transactions are getting stored into this RDBMS databases. Now as a part of Hadoop, we need to do some kind of the analysis on those data. So how we are going to do the analysis? By using the Hadoop only. Now in the Hadoop we have a tool which is called Sqoop. So Sqoop is the one utility, or you can call it as a tool, which is mainly useful to store the data or to transfer the data from RDBMS database to the HDFS. Here the HDFS is the file system which is called Hadoop file system. So basically we can take the data from MySQL or Oracle and we can store that data to the HDFS with the help of Sqoop. Again, the next thing is we can also take the data from the HDFS and we can store it to the RDBMS databases. The basic functionality of the Sqoop is import and export. Importing the data from the RDBMS to the HDFS file system, and from exporting the data from HDFS file system and importing to the RDBMS database. So this is the basic work of the Sqoop, which is a Hadoop ecosystem part. In Sqoop we have the multiple functions. You can do the paralleling so that it will move the data faster. Even you can full load and incremental load. We call it as a full load, means whole amount of data we can take it from the RDBMS and store it to the HDFS. Now if we are in a situation where we don't want to go with the full load, we can also go with the incremental load. So these are all the functionalities which are available as a part of Hadoop, and Sqoop is really important when it comes to transfer the data from the Hadoop ecosystem, from the RDBMS to the Hadoop ecosystem. So you can directly move the data from RDBMS to HDFS, or you can also move the data from the Sqoop from the RDBMS database to the Hive tables. So you can take it this example as a Hive tables as well. Now choice is ours. If we are in a situation where we need to take the data from the RDBMS to the Hive tables, we can directly do it. And if we are looking for to move the data from the RDBMS to the HDFS, that is also possible. So both the things can be possible with the help of Sqoop, and the vice versa, the same thing is happening from HDFS to the RDBMS is also possible. Okay, so if in next video we are going to talk about more things in a practical way, please look into my other videos. Thank you.